It's a new dawn in Africa, and our enormous potential and opportunities are being harnessed by One Bank. One Bank stands strong as the bank of choice for Africans and Africa-related businesses. UBA, with a fast-growing presence across Africa and in key global financial centers, UBA has a wide range of innovative products and services in retail, wholesale, and commercial banking tailored to the needs of individuals and businesses in Africa, delivering convenience to customers and facilitating payments, remittances, trade, and economic development. United Bank for Africa. UBA is the one bank uniting African people and businesses with the world. So, make the wise choice today. Bank with UBA, Africa's global bank.
My people, now welcome again on this now on our program How Na Siam. Today we want to talk about many things where we write for newspaper. We talk for our website and many people comment where we want to discuss with you now. Today I get two Ubonge people who sit down here with me for this studio where will help us put mouth for the matter we want to talk. The first person where they for my left now.
My name is Nicholas.
And okay, your name now?
My name is Ozodema Sunday.
Okay, my own name is Chima Onwe. Today we want to talk about one matter where we say two things we want to talk about. The first one now, Lagos State government, they say make Okada people make them no move again from some road. That is why we go carry Oga Sunday way be Okada man making come follow us put mouth for this matter. Oga, how you see that law where Lagos government put?
Why I say that the thing where I say our government, the thing where they do no good. The thing where they do no good. Our governments know they treat us better. They don't like poor man. They don't want poor man to get up. For them to say Okada man no oppress, it's not a good thing.
Make we get them, make we understand the law where Nicholas, you day when you hear when government, what in government actually talk? They say make Okada no ride at all, or what in them talk?
No, they don't say make Okada no ride at all. What in them talk we say for anywhere we be highway. For anywhere we be highway, make Okada no run for express road. You say for road when you be express road only for inside town. When they hear Nigeria make Okada people they walk. Because the reason we government give, they say too many people they die from Okada accidents from those highways. Imagine, according to them, they say imagine make Okada they drive for Third Mainland Bridge. So they say the risks where it's in the post to Okada people, it's not too much. They can't give one figure. Say almost 200 people now they die from Okada every month. So the figure too high. So now they say these people live, they pressure according to them. Say they like make people there alive, they like people live past being they die anyhow.
Oh yeah, hold on. Then make we ask Oga, how now they operate? If I dey ride for express road, I fit go ride for inside street. I mean, they allow people like that. People wey dey operate, people wey be say that now express, they say that been dey register. If na express you want ride, you go ride. If na street you want ride, you go ride. Now so how na they operate?
The way we were operating before, you can go anywhere.
Okay, any Okada fit drive anywhere.
You can go anywhere. For them to come out and say don't go to express, they don't like.
No, Oga, see what they talk. You know, maybe when I get union. Union P say you go register say I want to carry from this Allen Avenue or this I want to operate for Allen Avenue. Then if you go maybe go Maryland, carry person from Maryland go Jota, the fit stop you. Now so now they operate or now if anybody fit carry passenger go anywhere you like.
Anybody fit carry passenger go anywhere like. So far you buy tickets, local government tickets. There are so many union, MOAS, Anakowa, local government. We buy all these tickets.
Who they collect this money from? On a government or a private person?
The so recognized union, MOAS and Anakowa, and the local governments, they collect all those money. They do this Okada. We do it because we don't want to thief. We don't want to be a 419. We don't like Okada. No Okada rider you will ask that will tell you that he like doing Okada. We are doing it because no job. we don't have work, we don't have employment. Instead of us to be a 419 or to thief, we just make ourselves busy.
Okay, no first. Make I no come. Make first I cut you short. You say you call different union now. Before government take the decision, then meet with all these union. Government your union will tell you that. Then meet them. Then discuss this matter. And the government just wake up one day, talk say he then ban Okada from the main road.
They told us they called the union. The union did not seek the opinion of the operators. Go and decide, because the union is the people that will just sit down eating on Okada riders' sweat. Everything Okada is working, they are collecting. So-called Okada man.
Make me ask you this question, because we don't get plenty time for this show. This ban where they don't put for some road, it affect how much they make per day now?
How much they make before, and how much they make now? Use yourself as an example.
It affects us so many ways. Before, Okada man, what Okada man make is not even enough for him to eat garri, feed the children, pay school fees, and the.
Okay, if you give us estimate, say now they make like just give us the estimate.
Before, we stay one place, like we have a garage where we stay, we do it one by one. We don't do one. At the end of the day, before we can get like 1,000, 1,500. But now, we don't go so other place we normally go. So at the end of the day, now we don't make up to that amount. We buy fuel. We cannot use that and pay school fees of children.
So my people, now the problem when we say they face us with that, we will be passengers. Will they suffer? We will be Okada rider, will they suffer? If you see the guy hold up when this thing don't cost, everybody want to use their own car. People want to use buses. People know they enter Okada again. The thing they affect not just Okada rider, they affect both passengers, both people when they use motor, people when they use road altogether. The thing they affect them. So this is now something where with the advice, make government sit down, think well, plan. You will put things for ground before you start to ban Okada rider. The better part when they talk is say that they wear helmet. Say anybody, you go carry your passenger go wear helmet. You self, you go follow wear helmet. Now for our own good.
And they say me no carry small children and those ones seem good.
But Nicholas, one thing why they talk, this helmet, they suppose get specification. Because everybody they carry, if you carry as far as you can hard. Some they carry hard hats they wear.
You see, when you talk about helmet, and this one I be the real helmet.
Wait,
some people they go bring Walkman car, but all these children make people those one they no do one for
crash
for Okada. They do one for if they work for site. Now you do those one for. This one if you fall down, you feel sustain wound. You understand? But this kind of will cover your head completely. We cover everybody.
Nine governments. Before we come out here, make we quickly talk. Government say they broke, say they no fit do election. Nicholas,
okay, leave that talk. Now government magic. Which kind of government broke? Which kind of brokenness with that one? They get money. They all this country today they sign one contract. They sign one contract. This one sign that contract. Money day. Leave that talk. Government magic.
So that's what we see. Next week we will still come back. Make we see how government will treat this Okada matter. It just be like experiment. Make we give them this week and next week to see how they will treat this matter. If they come back or talk anything, we will come back for this station. Now thank you as una stay listen to us. We will come back again next week and discuss this matter. Make una stay.
Okay, no first. The thing I want to talk again. The government now they carry all the uniform men, police, landsman, federal safety. Even army join, only Okada. Now with the ask, we be armed robber. They are chasing us around with their motor. They leave a room to armed robber to oppress because armed robber know that all their attention is on Okada. They have an avenue to operate. They are pushing Okada up and down, making their own money. You that cannot carry 1,000 naira go home. A police will stop you, carry you, go one place, go and bring 20,000.
How much they sell Okada where you want people?
Both the landsman and the car. They carry you, go and bring the Susama, go and bring Susama. And when they are calling the thousands, like they are calling 5 naira. And we find those things, it doesn't even encourage us.
We will say our government don't hear.
They will hear. If they like, make them hear. But I know say our government are people they hear everything. There are people they want and they do within their people they want. Then they watch this program, then go here, and I believe say by next week they will do something for this matter.
They should consider also, because we don't want to thief. That is why we're doing Okada. Nigeria is going to be 50 by 1st of October. Almost my age, I'm doing Okada. I don't like it.
I believe our government will be say they hear. As they watch this program, we believe say they will do something for this matter. They no go just they talk. Our government will listen, do something. So my people, now so we see them again before my brother come talk for the matter. Next week we will come back again for this station. Come tell you how we see them. Now stay well.
That's my account officer. When he graduated, he told his family he hadn't done anything worthy of congratulations. That was before he went to the Access Bank School of Banking Excellence, where they test them again and again.
Now you can congratulate me.
Once you make it through the Access Bank School of Banking Excellence, you are indeed ready to play in the Ivy League of banking. I believe that to be true, and that's why I trust Access Bank